Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to configure the footer menu in WordPress Blocksy. Okay, so let's scroll down and you'll see that we have our footer here. And there are some items here, but we don't have any menus. So let's go ahead and click on Customize and take ourselves to the WordPress Customizer. Okay, let's scroll down here and click on Footer. And we can scroll down on this side to check out our footer widgets, right? This is a widget here, and if you click on this, we have hyperlinks here, right? So these aren't necessarily menus. If we scroll here, we have two footer menus. We'll just play with footer menu 1 for the meantime, and we can drag and drop this anywhere we want. I'll put this here in the middle, just it's easier for us to see. And let's click on this to configure it. And we're customizing footer menu 1. And first things first, select menu. We have your default, right? So this is our default menu, and we can change whatever menu we want. And let's go real quick to our dashboard. You can see here we are under appearance and menus. And you can see here we're currently editing menu 70. We have main menu 2. And then we click on select, and you can see the different kinds of menus that we have. Main menu 2 doesn't work. Useful links. Let's take a look at how that one looks like. All right. So if we went back here and we clicked on useful links, this will change to the useful links one. And you can see it's different from the main menu over here. All right, we can also change the item direction from horizontal to vertical, just so it looks like one of these. And we can also change it depending on whether it's mobile or desktop, right? So this is horizontal, and we can make it vertical on mobile, but on desktop, we can make it horizontal. And we can also change the spacing of the items here, depending on the constraints we're given, and to make it more responsive, whether it's on desktop or on mobile. And we can also have a stretch menu, but we don't have any child menus there. All right. And you can see it makes a bit of a difference in the spacing. All right, you can also change the alignment, but it's not very evident, especially with this. There you go, you can see. We can keep it middle and just turn that on, and it's spaced evenly. We can also enable or disable this on desktop, tablet, or mobile, as you can see. And for design, we can change the font. Since this is a sans serif one, we'll just use Times New Roman, and you can see it's different now. And we can change the font color. We can make it white. And when we hover over it, we can make it pink, as you can see. And we can also change the margins depending on what we need. So let's hit publish and save our changes. Okay, once it's changed, let's hit refresh. And we scroll back down here. And as you can see, we now have our footer menu. So if you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Show this kind of video to other nerds like us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.